Oh, what's up everyone? It's Sal's, and today we're diving into the world of ethical hacking with a head-to-head battle between two titans, Kali Linux and Parrot OS. These operating systems are legendary in the cybersecurity space, but which one reigns supreme? We'll be putting them through their paces, dissecting their features, performance, ease of use, and more. Think of it like a full-spec breakdown, but instead of cameras and processors, we're talking about penetration testing tools and anonymity features. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which OS is the perfect weapon in your digital arsenal. Whether you're a seasoned security pro or just starting your ethical hacking journey, this video is for you. So, grab your favorite beverage, settle in, and let's get started. First up, let's talk about Kali Linux. This bad boy has been a staple in the cybersecurity world for years. Developed by
Social media
offensive
data
security,
can be divided
Kali
into
Linux
three
is like
categories.
the Swiss Army knife
First,
of penetration
user-posted
testing.
content such
It
as
comes
text,
preloaded with
images,
a massive
or videos
arsenal
that
of
the
over
user
600
creates and
tools
shares.
for
Second,
everything from
metadata such
reconnaissance
as the
to
date,
exploitation.
time, and location
We're
associated
talking
with the
Nmap
content.
for network
Third,
scanning,
interactions such
Wireshark
as
for
comments,
packet
likes,
sniffing,
and other
Metasploit
forms of
for,
feedback that the
well,
user
exploiting
receives or gives.
vulnerabilities. You
Now
name
that
it,
you know the types
Kali's
of
probably
data
got it.
you can get from social
And the
media,
best part,
let's look at some
it's
of the most
completely free
popular
and open
platforms and
source.
how to use them
That
for
means you
SOCMID.
can download it,
In this video, I will
customize it
focus
to your
on
heart's
Facebook,
content,
Instagram,
and even
and Twitter.
contribute to
I
its
will also cover
development if
LinkedIn
you're
as it is a
feeling
great
adventurous.
source of business intelligence,
is
even
based
though
on
it has a
Debian,
smaller
which is known
user
for
base.
its
Before you
stability
dive
and
into a
reliability,
specific
so you can be
platform,
sure that
you
Kali
might want to
won't
do a
crash on
general
you in the
search
middle
to
of a
see if the
critical
target has
engagement.
accounts on multiple
Plus, its rolling
platforms.
release
The
cycle
easiest
ensures
way to
that
do
you
this
always
is
have
to use
access
the
to the
username,
latest and
if you know it.
greatest tools and updates.
The username can
But
reveal
Kali
a
isn't
lot
just
about the
about brute
target,
force hacking.
such as their real
It
name,
also
nickname,
includes
or
tools for
interest.
security auditing,
It can also help you
forensics,
find
and
other
even
accounts
reverse
that use the
engineering.
same
So whether
username
you're
or
a penetration
variations of it.
tester, a
To
security
do this,
analyst,
you can
or
use
just a curious
websites like
tech enthusiast, Kali has something to
instantusername.com,
offer everyone.
which will scan
Kali's
hundreds of
interface is
websites for
clean,
you in minutes.
organized, and
If you want more
customizable.
control over your
You can
search,
choose
you
from
can use a
different
tool
desktop
called
environments like
Maigret,
GNOME,
which is a
KDE,
Python script that
and
you can
XFCE
install and
to
run
suit
on
your
your
workflow.
computer.
Overall,
Maigret allows
Kali
you to
Linux is a
customize your
powerhouse
search
of an operating
parameters,
system for
such as the
ethical
websites
hackers
you
and
want to
security
check,
professionals.
the timeout, and the output format.
Now let's move on to the
You can
contender,
also generate
Parrot OS.
HTML
Developed
reports
by the
with the
Frozen
results.
Box team.
Another
Parrot
way to
OS
do a
is
general
like the
search
cool
is to
younger
use the
sibling of
reverse
Kali
image
Linux.
search.
It's
If you have a
designed with
unique
security,
profile
privacy,
picture or
and
other
development
photos
in
of the
mind,
target, this
making
can
it
help
a
you find
versatile
other
choice for a
accounts that
wide
use the
range of
same or
users.
similar
Like
images
Kali,
or the
Parrot
original
OS
source
is
of the
also
image.
based on Debian
You can use
and follows a
websites like
rolling
Google
release
and
model.
TinEye for this.
This means you get the same
Forgot
stability
password
and up-to-date
functionality is a
software
handy
goodness.
tool to
But
verify
what
if the
sets
target
Parrot
has
apart
signed up
is
on the
its focus
website.
on anonymity
However,
and
checking each
privacy.
website one
It
by
comes
one is
bundled with
tedious,
tools like
and the
Tor,
Python
I2P,
tool
and
whole,
VPN
he simplifies this.
configurations,
If you don't
making
want
it
to bother
ideal for
installing
users who
anything
value their
locally,
digital footprint.
use the online
But don't let
service
the anonymity
Epios.
focus fool you.
If you are
Parrot OS is
unsure
no
about
slouch
email
when it comes to
validity,
penetration
use
testing either.
proofy.io
It
to
packs a
verify
curated
if the
selection
given
of security
email
tools
exists.
covering
To
everything
get more
from
information on the
reconnaissance to
person,
exploitation.
check the email across
One of
known
Parrot's
breaches on
standout features is its
dash.com.
lightweight nature.
If you have a phone number,
It's
check it
designed
on
to run
Truecaller to get a
smoothly even
possible
on older
name and then
hardware,
search for
making
the
it a
account
great
on
option
social
for
media.
users with limited
Facebook has a
resources.
lot of data
Parrot
that can be
OS
useful
also
for
shines
digital
in its user
investigators, such as
experience.
user-generated
It features a sleek and
content,
modern Make
friend
desktop
lists, and
environment
shares.
that's both
But
visually
Facebook
appealing
also made it
and
harder to
intuitive
access
use.
this data with its
Overall,
graph search feature.
Parrot OS is a
Graph
compelling
search was a
alternative
way
to
to
Kali
use
Linux,
natural language to
especially
search
if you
for things on
prioritize
Facebook.
anonymity,
For
privacy,
example, you could type
and a
people who
smoother
like
user
it.
experience.
But in 2019, Facebook shut
Chapter
down
3,
graph search,
features face off.
making it
It's
more
getting
difficult
real.
to query
All right,
data
let's
on
get
the
down to
platform.
brass tacks and
But
compare
don't
these
worry,
two operating
there's still
systems
some ways to
head-to-head
get the
in a battle
information
of
you need
features.
from Facebook.
Both Kali and
One of
Parrot
the
come
simplest
loaded with
ways to
tools,
search for data
but their
on
approaches
Facebook
differ
is to
slightly.
use Google.
Kali, as
Google
we've
can
established,
index
is
some of
all
the
about
content
that
on
massive
Facebook,
arsenal.
and you can
It's like
use some
walking into a
advanced search
cybersecurity
operators to
candy
narrow
store
down
with
your
shelves
results.
overflowing
Here are
with
some
tools for
examples
every
of Google
imaginable
Dorks
scenario.
for Facebook. This
You've
will
got your
search for
network
Facebook
scanners,
profile links on
vulnerability
Instagram.
analysis tools,
This will search for
password
target
crackers,
name and surname
wireless
on
hacking
Facebook.
utilities,
This
reverse
will search
engineering
for
software,
indexed Facebook
you name it,
videos that
Kali's
include a
got it.
specific keyword.
This makes it incredibly
Another way to search
versatile
for data
and
on
powerful,
Facebook is to
especially
use some
for
online
experienced pen
tools that are
testers who know
designed
exactly
for
what
OSINT
they're looking
purposes.
for.
Here are some
Parrot
of the
OS,
tools
on
that
the
we
other
recommend.
hand, takes a more curated approach.
Look-up-id.com. This
It's like
tool will help
walking
you
into
find
a
the
high-end
Facebook ID
boutique
of
where
a
each
user
tool
or a
has been
page.
carefully
Who
selected
posted what
for its
.com.
quality and
This tool will
effectiveness.
help you search Facebook
Parrot
posts
OS
with ability to
focuses
set
on
a date
providing a
range and
streamlined
location.
experience
Saw
with a
search
core set
info.
of tools
This tool is a
that cover the
Facebook
most
graph search
common
alternative
penetration
that that allows you to
needs.
use some of the
This
old
makes it
graph
less
search
overwhelming
queries.
for
Dump
beginners
it
while
Blue
still
Plus.
offering enough
This tool
firepower
will help you
for
download
seasoned
Facebook profile
professionals.
data for analysis
One area
or
where Parrot
reporting
OS
purposes.
has a clear advantage is its focus on anonymity
This tool
and
will
privacy.
help you scrape
It
Facebook
comes
posts with
pre-configured
comments
with
from
Tor,
one or multiple
I2P,
page URLs.
and various
It will get
VPN
post and
options, making
comment
it
text,
incredibly easy to mask
timestamps,
your online
post
activity and
URLs,
protect
likes,
your identity.
shares, comments count,
Another
author
key
ID.
difference
If you
lies
prefer
in
to
their
use command
development
line
environments.
interface tools,
Parrot
there are also
OS
some options
comes
for you.
bundled with a full
Here is one of
suite
them.
programming
Friendlist
languages
Scraper.
and IDEs,
This is an
making it a
OSINT tool
dream
to
for
scrape
developers
names and
who want to build
usernames from
custom
large friend
security
lists
tools
on
or contribute
Facebook
to open
without
source
being rate
projects.
limited. Just like Facebook,
Ultimately, the
you can
best
also
OS
use
for
Google
you
to search
depends
for
on your
data on
specific needs and
Instagram. Here are
preferences.
some examples of Google Dorks for Instagram.
Chapter 4.
Cite
Performance Showdown. Can your
Instagram.com/Piondo.
system
This
handle
will
the
search
heat?
for posts that
Now
mention
let's talk
a John
about
Doe
everyone's
keyword.
favorite topic,
Cite
performance. We all know that feeling when your computer
This will
slows
search for
to a
reels
crawl,
that mention a John
especially
Doe
when you're in
keyword.
the middle of a
Cite
critical task.
Instagram.com/John Doe.
So, how do Kali
This will
Linux
search
and
for
Parrot
users
OS
named
stack
John
up in the
Doe.
performance department?
InstaHunter is a CLI
Both operating
OSINT app
systems
that
are
can
based
fetch
on
data from
Debian and are known
Instagram's
for their
web
stability
API
and
without
efficiency.
authentication.
However,
OSINT
there are
gram
some key
performs
differences in
analysis
their
on
resource
Instagram
requirements
accounts,
and overall
allows to search for
performance.
specific hashtags,
Kali Linux,
users,
with its
or
massive
locations on
toolset and
Instagram,
feature set,
and collect information
tends to be
such
a
as
bit more
posts,
demanding on
comments,
system
and
resources.
likes. Terra gets
While the
locations,
minimum system requirements are
timestamps,
quite
captions,
modest,
pictures,
1 gigabyte
and
of
URL
RAM,
of the
20
Instagram account.
gigabytes of
The
storage.
tool can also be
You'll need
used
at
for
least
Twitter
4
reconnaissance.
gigabytes of RAM for a smooth and
Instagram
responsive
OSINT
experience,
gets a range of information
especially
from
if
an
you're running
Instagram
multiple
account that
virtual
you normally
machines or
wouldn't be able to
resource-intensive
get from just
tools.
looking at their profile.
Parrot OS,
At least
on the other
500
hand,
million tweets are
is
sent
designed
daily,
with lightweight
meaning there will be a
performance in
lot
mind.
of noise
It
when
can run
searching for
comfortably
something
on
in
systems
particular.
with as
Being
little as
familiar
1
with advanced
gigabyte
search
of RAM,
options
making it a
significantly
great option
increases your
for older
chances to find
hardware or
relevant
users with
information.
limited
When you are
resources.
researching a
Even with
deleted
its
or
focus
private
on
account,
efficiency,
you can
Parrot
check
OS
who talked
doesn't
to it
skimp
using
on
the
features
following
or
query.
performance.
Also,
It's
you can check
surprisingly
whether any
snappy and
tweets have been
responsive,
archived
even
before
on
they became
systems with
private
modest
or were deleted.
specifications.
To do this,
In real-world
paste the
usage,
profile
both
URL
operating
into
systems
Wayback
perform
Machine,
admirably.
or check
Boot
if any of the
times are
tweets were
relatively
saved
quick,
in Tweet Archivist.
applications
Use
launch
this
swiftly,
query, cite
and the overall
twitter.com,
experience is
target
smooth
username
and
to check for
lag-free.
private or deleted
Ultimately, the
Twitter accounts for
performance
any
difference
cached
between
results
Kali
on Google.
Linux and Parrot
However,
OS
it will
is
only work
noticeable,
well
but
on
not
well-established
drastic.
accounts that were previously public.
Chapter 5.
Bird Hunt
Community
geolocates
and ease of
tweets
use.
within a certain
Finding
radius.
your tribe in the digital
TwitterTrackingTime.org shows
Let's
the
face it,
approximate
no matter how
sleeping
powerful an
schedule of
operating
Twitter
system
users.
is, it's the
Volara is a
community
Twitter
and ease of
analytics
use that
application
truly
that
make
gathers
or
near
break the
real-time
experience.
data about topics,
So how do Kali
mentions,
Linux and Parrot
hashtags,
OS fare in
followers,
these crucial
location,
aspects?
and more. Twitter
Kali
Profile
Linux boasts
Analyzer
a
is a
massive
tweets
and
metadata
incredibly
scraper
active
and
community.
activity analyzer.
It's like the
and
bustling
Twitter
metropolis
Intelligence
of
is
the
a project written in
cybersecurity world, with
Python for
forums
Twitter
buzzing
tracking
with
and
activity,
analysis without using
countless
Twitter's
tutorials
API.
and guides available online, and a constant stream of updates and contributions from developers worldwide. This vibrant community ensures that you're never truly alone when using Kali. Whether you're facing a technical issue, seeking advice on a specific tool, or simply want to connect with like-minded individuals, the Kali Linux community has got your back. Parrot OS, while having a smaller community compared to Kali, is by no means lacking in support or enthusiasm. It's like a tight-knit village where everyone knows each other and is always willing to lend a helping hand. The Parrot OS forums are incredibly welcoming to newcomers, and the developers are known for their responsiveness and willingness to assist users. In terms of ease of use, both operating systems have their pros and cons. Kali Linux, with its vast toolset and customizable nature, can be overwhelming for beginners. However, once you get past the initial learning curve, Kali's power and flexibility become readily apparent. Parrot OS, on the other hand, is designed with user-friendliness in mind. Its intuitive Mate desktop environment, curated toolset, and focus on simplicity make it a great choice for both beginners and experienced users who value a streamlined experience. Ultimately, the best operating system for you depends on your personal preferences and learning style. The verdict: choosing your hacker OS weapon. So there you have it, folks. A deep dive into the world of Kali Linux and Parrot OS. Both are incredibly powerful operating systems packed with tools and features that can make even the most seasoned cybersecurity professional drool. As we've seen, each OS has its own strengths and weaknesses. Kali Linux reigns supreme with its vast toolset and massive community, while Parrot OS shines with its user-friendliness, anonymity focus, and lightweight performance. The best choice for you ultimately depends on your specific needs, preferences, and level of experience. But hey, this is just my take. I'm curious to hear your thoughts. Let me know in the comments down below which OS you prefer and why. And while you're at it, don't forget to drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and stay tuned for more tech showdowns and deep dives. Peace out.